Assalamu alaikum 6th class. I hope that you all will be good. Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter from textbook, that is Green Force. Okay, before starting our main topic, we have to revise our previous lecture. As you know that in the last class we have discussed two different types of noun. Okay, abstract noun and possessive noun. Dear students, abstract nouns describe things that can only be thought about. You cannot see or touch them. Okay? For example, freedom, kindness, pride, ignorance. Okay? And possessive noun show possession between two nouns. Okay? And possessive noun have an apostrophe to show them someone owns something. Okay, the apostrophe is placed after the honor and an s is added if it is necessary. Okay, now dear students, here you can see that here are four sentences are given. Okay, these are sentences we have to complete according to the abstract noun, and in the bracket given word will help us to complete this sentence. Like first one is dash, ignorant of the law is no excuse for breaking it. Okay, the appropriate and suitable abstract noun is ignorance. Okay, ignorance of the law is no excuse for breaking it. Okay, next one, Jan did her work carelessly, so she was reprimanded for laziness. Okay, when people steal, they can be arrested for theft. Okay, last one, when you are young, that time of your life is your childhood. Okay, students, now let's start the main topic, that is Green Force, unit number 2, chapter number 2. Okay, here are some new words, vocabulary words that we will learn through this chapter. Okay, first word is fragile. It's mean delicate. Diversity, variety. Sustain, hold up. Alleviate, make less. Coral, stone like red and white substance found underwater in the sea. Reef, rock just below or above the sea surface. Okay, now dear students, what you have to do, you have to read these all chapter. Okay, now I will tell you the main points related to this chapter. Okay students, this is actually a website advertisement. You can also get information through this link. Okay, this is a research team. Those mostly work in this area: Amazon, Africa, Caribbean, South Pacific, South China Sea. The mission of Green Action Task Force is to guide improvement of environmental policies in Eastern Europe, okay, and Central Asia. More especially, the Green Action Program aims to promote analysis and exchange of experience among countries on key environmental policy and institutional reforms. Okay, and 12 guidelines and best practices for environmental policy and institutional reforms. Okay, dear students, now the question is, what is a coral reef? Okay, coral reefs are complex tropical ecosystem. They are made of limestone deposit made from living things. They are like cities under the sea. Okay, coral are the most important reef builders. Okay, and coral are animals without spines. Okay students, now dear students, I will tell you coral reefs are widely known as the rainforest of the sea. Okay, coral reefs provide an important ecosystem for life underwater. protect coastal areas by reducing the power of waves hitting the coast and provide a crucial source of income for millions of people. Okay, the fact is that without the coral reefs to protect fragile coastline, many island and coastal areas would simply disappear beneath the ocean waves. The role they play as a nursery ground for young fish and coral reefs are more than just a pretty underwater garden for divers to enjoy. Start the answer the following questions. Okay, dear students, you know that here, like this one, you have to prepare your page. Okay, first you will write your number 2, chapter number 2, then you will write topic reinforce and you will mention page number 32, and don't forget to mention to draw the margins. Okay, first question is, what do the research teams of Greenforce do worldwide? The answer is, the research teams of Greenforce are trying to protect endangered wildlife. Okay. Second, why are coral reefs known as rainforest of the sea? The answer is, coral reefs are known as the rainforest of the sea because a large variety of species live there. Okay, students. Now the third question. What three functions do the coral reefs fulfill apart from offering a diverse, a beautiful underwater garden? Okay, the answer is, firstly, coral reefs protect fragile coastline. Secondly, they provide food for coastal communities. Thirdly, they are the breeding place for many marine species. Fourth one, how are human activities threatening the coral reefs? The answer is, human activities like overfishing, blasting and pollution are the threatening the coral reefs. Okay, last question, question number 5. How do coral reefs respond to conservation measures? The answer is, coral reefs respond very positively to conservation measures. Okay, students. Now, dear students, I will assign you the home task. You have to write all the words meaning and question answer in your notebook. Okay, must write neatly. Okay, okay, students. Let's start the review of the lecture. Here are some important questions are given. All the answers are given in the slides. You have to find it, and after that you will learn it. Okay. If you have any query, any question, you can ask in comment section of the Google Classroom. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself and goodbye.